In the Map module, we can see a map in the middle of our interface. We can also see a legend at the bottom right corner. In your Collections panel, navigate over to the Yes GPS Smart Collection and click on it. Lightroom has automatically plotted our images with GPS coordinates on the map. Now we can see on the legend that an orange marker indicates an unselected photo. To select a photo, we can click on it in the thumbnail browser. You can see that when you select the image, the marker changes to yellow, indicating a selected photo. Another point is, when you hover your mouse over these different images, each marker jumps up and down, so that way it's very easy to identify each image here on the map. To view the image attached to a marker, just go ahead and double click on it. We can now see the image thumbnail and information pertaining to the image. For example, the date and time the image was taken, and also the shutter speed, the aperture, and ISO. On the right side of the map module, we can see metadata that's attached to this image. Most of this is basic data that we've already covered, with one exception. This includes the GPS coordinates where the image was taken. This is the data used by Lightroom to plot the image on our map. If for any reason your camera or capture device recorded the wrong GPS coordinates, you can delete them by right-clicking on the marker and selecting Delete GPS Coordinates. Alternatively, you can change the GPS coordinates directly in the metadata panel. So for example, if I wanted to change these coordinates, I can simply click here and type in the new coordinates for this image. Now we can zoom into this area by clicking this icon here. Alternatively, we can also use the magnification slider at the bottom over here. A shortcut method to zooming in and out is to use the minus and plus key on your keyboard.